We brought the Cat 299 D3 XE. We wanted a large skid steer that would run a forestry mulcher, also push the GB 124 grader. So we've gone for that machine for its versatility with the attachments we want to run. Its size, it's 6 tonne. It's can load a truck quickly. It can also move a lot of material around on site quickly, but it's still nimble and light on its feet. Why we sort of went Cat was the serviceability of the machines. There's always a fitter here, and we went to the next gen and we really enjoy it.